All right, everybody, I'm here in Drumright, Oklahoma, 449th West Avenue. It's a house out here, probably on a good 2 acres off the highway between Tulsa and Oklahoma City. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,936 square foot, built in 1974. It's in really great shape, relatively new roof. Families. Obviously, it's done an estate sale. Looking through here, stonework. We come in here, and here's the family room. This is just a little library, right? Huh? Big living room. You can't really see in the dark here, but it's got a big, huge, get maybe a little closer so you can see now, but it's got a huge stone fireplace built in with, can't really see, but built-in shelves. You come down here to the bedrooms. You got a guest bath there. It's actually in good shape. We've got a small bedroom in here. The closet. We have another bedroom back in here with a closet. Kids' room. And this is over here, the master suite. Two closets, his and hers, I guess, or you can kind of see how big it is. Got the back half off here. You can see out there, you got a little shed. This is the master bath with just a shower, but double vanities. We'll go through here. This is the family room. Dining. Kitchen has nice cabinets. Appliances are gone except for the microwave, but everything else looks really nice here. They got some really nice features. Whoever did this did put in like custom countertops, kind of Italian theme to it. Good cabinets. This comes out back to the washer dryer, full hookups. Outside there, 2-car garage. Not really gonna probably see much in there, but it's walk through. It's got shelves, workbench. Hold that. We'll go outside here. You've got a nice sunroom on the back here. It's got a wheelchair ramp here. Old gas stove. We'll go outside here. More covered for a swing. You've been right to the backyard. Little walkway here. I think it's got a walkway around the house too. You see right there, comes around here. This is a fire pit out here for family. Back side of the house. Yeah, it's a nice house in Drumright, Oklahoma.